Are you looking for how to solve the TikTok app profile view option missing problem? Don't worry. In today's video, I will show you how you can fix this profile view option missing issue with an easy method. So let's get started. Method 1. Enable the profile view option. Open TikTok app, tap Profile, tap Dot Line, tap Setting and Privacy, tap Privacy, scroll down, tap Profile View, enable Profile View History on TikTok. Method 2. Offload the TikTok app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, now tap on iPhone storage, find the TikTok app, tap on it, tap on the offloaded the app, and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the app and check your problem whether fixed or not. After that, hopefully your profile view missing problem will be solved. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.